Jules. Take your time, Jules.
She is my rock. And by you mentioning her, made it easy for me to talk about her. And the things we do in the community are directly proportionate to her caring about people in this community. She was a childhood education major, and she taught me the importance of getting young people active in the community and doing the right thing when it comes to young people. So thank you for mentioning Liz, and took a little pressure off me and you got me choked up. But Liz, thank you. And, you know, a few months ago, we walked through here and it looked bad. It looked really bad. And when I walked down the street 45 minutes ago, I had a tear in my eye to see what was accomplished here. An absolute miracle on this property to give these young people an opportunity to grow as young people into people that will have a positive impact on our community. Just an amazing event taking place here this morning. And any success I may have had was directly attributable to my teammates. People working together for a common goal. What we've witnessed here this morning is we all have great teammates here in Camden, making a difference. How to make Camden a championship city. And man, we are getting near the red zone. And then we're going to get to the goal line, and then we're going to punch it in and make Camden a championship city. And it's